Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. So it's been a month already that I haven't heard nothing of the truck. So whoever took it, I mean, you know, it is what it is. So this time we brought more equipment for the vlog. You guys can see right here. Now we got this as well, guys. Big shout out to my girlfriend, my early Christmas gift. We're gonna be using it daily, and it's gonna be more easy for me to upload. Alright guys, so even though I don't have my truck no more, we're still gonna continue with the vlogs. This is not gonna stop me. Obviously we're gonna try to save up money and get a new Mamalona, a new project truck for you guys to enjoy. So stay tuned. What is up, guys? We're back with another vlog. So today, my brother-in-law came by. He needs some new LEDs for his off-roading truck. Come on. So you want some LEDs, huh?
Yes.
When are we gonna go off-roading?
Saturday.
Saturday? Alright, for sure. Alright, so that's the before. Alright guys, so here they are. So right here, guys, you guys do get a Balastra right here. So if you need LEDs, I'm the plug. Just hit me up. Alright, we're gonna take out the old ones out. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the waterproof plastic. It's right here. So you can see it right here. Para que no se le meta el agua al muchachón. And this is what we're throwing out today. Or whoever wants it for free. There you go. So I'm gonna plug it in like this. And you're gonna turn it on to see if it's this way. There you go, okay. Go turn it on. Alright guys, so he's gonna go turn it on to see if it works. And now we, oh damn, it works. Alright, so now we're gonna put it back in. Right here. Put it in, but it's already staying. Alright guys, so we're gonna put this plastic cover, it's waterproof, back on. And it's all set. Put everything inside here. Alright guys, so this is how it looks before. And this is how it looks after. Pretty bright to me if you say so. Alright guys, so we're already done for today. It's already taken home. Yeah, it came out nice. You can see how good they light up right now. Nice. Alright guys, so 3 days ago we started with this little RC car, just playing around. We just installed a little switch, a little kill switch, but it didn't have a controller. But we just installed a little RC receiver, and it's over here, the controller. It's right here, it works now, perfect. So now we're gonna make it go back and forward. This is the engine wires. We're gonna make sure it goes back and forward. This is the battery right here, but the thing is that this one, it has 14 watts, so it's too strong for this little memory. So we're gonna add a little battery. ¿Dónde quedó las otras pilas? Las azules. So there's other batteries around there. Those batteries are just gonna feed this little receiver, and this battery is gonna feed the actual engine. So we're gonna add a little switch here to make sure it goes back and forth. So stay tuned. Ahí va. Alright guys, so here we go. Test number one. Ah. Démelo. Alright, boom. Alright, here we go. So that's backwards. We made it. Done.
Right. 2020 fucking.
¿Qué le van a hacer a esa madre?
C-notch.
C-notch, step notch. Güey, ahí le quitas ahí nomás el diferencial, ¿no? ¿O qué?
De una vez córtale.
I need the differential. Córtale el chasis para hacerle. Oh, you wanna make a single cab? Wait, we can make a single cab. Huh. Que andamos, we're back again at 7 Days Muffler. No, es que el compa trajo su nueva mamalona, hijo. Se escucha como un Camry, dijo, ¿ah? Oh, el cochorrito ese, mira, me lo van a machucar. Ahí la hace. Anda a tomarle el sol. Míralo. Él anda bien a gusto ahí agarrando el solecito. Alright guys, so we're gonna test out both. We're gonna test out the magnet packs. ¿Y cuál más vas a calar, güey? ¿El carbon? Alright, alright. Ahí va, ya va, mira, va para arriba el viejo. Vamos así como no me la vas a rayar, porque me la acabo de comprar.
Ready, güey? Espérame.
Hey Jose, he's gonna test it out already. Bien contento el viejo. Alright guys, so ahí va el carbon.
Dale.
Oh. You like that one more, huh? You like that one more? You like the other one more? But, huh? ¿Vale packs? No, hijo, ese se mira más agresivo. Damn.
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe that shit. ¿Y así? ¿Straight pipe? A ver, ¿cuál va a querer, compadre? ¿Cuál le gustó? El carbon.
Carbon?
It sounds better, huh? More aggressive. Ahí va la operación X, ¿no? El soldadero.